Hi, I'm Julie Carlisle from Thermo Kitchen, and today I'm making a protein smoothie. So this smoothie could be used as a meal replacement for your breakfast if you are in a hurry of a morning, or as a snack after your gym workout. I am using the 93 green, which is a really good protein powder, and I've put some extra goodies with it so that we're getting a fruit serve and a little bit more protein, and our leafy greens as well. So here we go. So 0 off. Now with the 93 green, you can just drink this with water or with your favorite type of milk. You don't need to go to this trouble, but by adding these extra ingredients, we're making it much more of a meal. So I'm going to add coconut milk and just 200 grams. So 200 grams is the recommended amount of liquid to go with the each sachet. So I'm going to pop the sachet of protein powder in. So these sachets are biodegradable as well, and they break down with water, which is pretty special. Now we're adding a frozen banana to the smoothie. So that's our fruit serve for one of our fruit serves for the day. We all should be having 2 fruit serves. And then we've got 50 grams of spinach, baby spinach. So that's 1 veggie serve, and we should be having 5 veggie serves per day. And then we're adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. So chia seeds gives us more protein, but it also gives us more healthy fats as well. So I'm going to pop the lid on here and X out of this, and we are going to mix this up. It's going to be a little bit noisy. Just take a look at this. Whoa, bit of banana still there. Now that banana is going to make everything really cool and refreshing as well, being that it was frozen. Let's pop the lid on. And there we go. 1 breakfast smoothie, high protein, and it's great for a meal replacement or just for a high protein snack after your workout. Oh yum. Honestly, it tastes so vanilla-y. There is no flavour of the spinach or anything, because baby spinach, it really doesn't have any flavour. And the vanilla from the 93 green, it's a really strong vanilla flavour. So that with the banana, it's just a delicious smoothie, green smoothie. You'd drink this for breakfast just because. So yeah, very well done. I really enjoyed this.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to join me on our Thermo Kitchen Facebook group. Happy cooking!